Hello and welcome. So in this video I'll show you how to download and install fonts to your phone. Okay, so if you don't have that font on your phone, I'll show you how to download it and install it. So just go to any website where you download fonts from. For example, dafont.com. Just come to this font and then you can search for the font you are looking for. Okay, just click here and then search for it. Let's say you're looking for Gotham. Then click on search. Let's assume Gotham is the font you're looking for. So these are the Gotham they have here. Okay, so click on download. Once it's done downloading, that's fine. Okay, you can see it's a .zip file, so which means you need an archiver, something that can extract a zip file. Some persons, their phone may be able to do that. If your phone cannot extract it, please go to your Play Store or your Google, your Apple Store. Go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and then search for RA. Okay, search for RA. Once you search for it, this is it. Install it. Okay, I've made a video for how to do this using your laptop also. So once you are done installing it, that is fine. So what you want to do next is this. You go to you can use your browser. Either you use your browser or you use your file manager. I think it will be easy for you to use your browser. So just go to your downloads under your browser and then click on that font you just downloaded, then dismiss. Okay, so you can see all the fonts here, the different version of that Gotham. So just click on all of them. Once you are done clicking on it, yes, please, before you continue, go to your file manager. I would advise you go to your file manager and create a folder for fonts. Go to your file manager, create a folder for fonts. Okay, so just new folder, name it whatever it is you want to name it. Okay, for me, I have a folder already, fonts, Pixellab. So this folder is where I'll be dropping all the fonts that I download on my phone on. Okay, so once you are done doing that, then let's go back to our WinRAR now. So you selected all the fonts. Okay, so let me do it again so that you understand. Go to your downloads. At this point, you already have RA installed on your phone. You already have created a folder for fonts, okay, in your file manager. So click on this, click on dismiss, select everything. Okay, select everything. Click this arrow pointing up. Then what you want to do now is click on browse. When you click on browse, you want to locate that folder you created. So click this arrow going up until you see your file manager like this. Okay, so look for that font folder you created. For me, I created fonts Pixellab. So click on it and then click on OK. Click on OK. The fonts have extracted to that folder. If you want to confirm it, you can confirm it. Go to file manager, fonts Pixellab. You can see the fonts then here. That's it. So this is how you install it to Pixellab now. So what you want to do now is to locate your Pixellab. Okay, locate your Pixellab. Alright. Let's say you've typed a text. Let's just use this default text. So how do you import that font? Click this A here and then you scroll down to font. When you scroll down to font, you go to my fonts. Alright. For me, the font is already showing here because I've set it already. Yours may not show like this. What you want to do is click this folder, this last one with the plugs, the last one. Click on it and then look for that folder you created, which is fonts Pixellab for me. So I'll just look for it and then click on it. Then add to directory. So what this means is that any font I put in that directory will show here. Then I can use that font. Any font I put in that directory, since I've already added that directory already, is going to show here. So it's very simple. If you follow the steps I showed you now, you'll be able to install fonts. So as you can see, we have our fonts here already. Alright, so that's how to do it. Okay, so that's how to do it.